Give Windows 11 a macOS-style look with the simple tweaks to the taskbar, icons, dock, and theme. No new computer needed. Check my video description for this download link. Download this 300 MB just by one click and download this transparent explorer. Select this latest and scroll down and select release. Once you download done, select the folder icon and you need to extract both. Once extract done, open this release and double click on register and select run. Select yes option. Okay. Wait for 5 seconds. Once this done, close tab here and open up File Explorer and go to Downloads. Open this Mac OS and open Dock. Extract this. Cut this folder and paste it in a C drive. Now open the Dock 64. Now right click on the icons that is not available in my case. Right click and select Remove from Dock. Do the same thing for these. And now the dock is ready to use. Whenever you just minimize, it shows awesome visuals. Go to Downloads, open macOS, and double click on this widget, rain meter, install. Once installation done, select finish. And now unload these skins. Once done, double click on this RM skin, release, select install. Select the language and select apply theme. Select the first one, classic. Now you can able to change the clock. I'm gonna set it the center one, this transparent. You can also change the wallpaper. I'm gonna keep the default wallpaper. It's look awesome for me. And then click on OK. You can also add new widgets in here. If you want to remove, just can remove it and add these widgets. Just close stuff here. Final thing, we need to install the cursor. Go to downloads and open macOS cursor. Right click on install and select install option and select yes. Once this installation done, press Windows key and I key together to open up settings. Go to accessibility, go to mouse pointer and touch, go to mouse, in, additional mouse settings, go to pointer, click on the drop down and select Mac OS and select apply and OK for save changes. Once this done, the final thing you need to do, right click on the desktop and select view and select show desktop icons. And this is the final look. You can now enjoy the Mac OS on a Windows PC. Now I'll show you guys how to revert back to Windows 11 default. Right click on the dock and select preference. Scroll down and select about. Scroll down and select uninstaller and select OK. Once this done, we have successfully uninstalled the dock. It will automatically close. Now right click on the desktop and select view and select checkmark show desktop icons. Press Windows key and I key together to open up settings. Go to apps, go to installed apps, find rain meter. Click on three dot icon and select uninstall. Select yes option. Select completely remove and select uninstall. Completed. Close stuff here and the final thing you need to do, just want to reboot the Explorer, go to release and uninstall, run this option. Wait for 5 seconds. Once this done, close stuff here and we have successfully rebooted all the settings. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.